Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So recently I have changed this faucet and now the water is coming out this way. It looks pretty cool, pretty neat. But the only downside is the pop-up sink stopper is no longer be able to use. It doesn't have one of those pop-up handle on the back. As I went out, I got this drain pop-up. It's really simple. You have note, and here is the drain itself. Now there's no instruction on how to install it, but from the look of it, it's quite simple. Basically, you put this from top down into the sink, and then from underneath, this will go in under, and this will tighten it up. I'm going to show you in a little bit. All right, so let me show you what I'm working with underneath here. So as you can see, this is the old stuff. I already unscrew the nut here, and what you need to do as well to remove this is hold on to the top where the drain stop is. So once you move that, it's easy for you to remove the top. And unfortunately, I couldn't really show you because that thing was broken. So this is what I got out of it. And then you have to remove this pipe here. So you'll be able to release this pipe. It should be coming out from the bottom. Now something that you have to do on top. Now the top part is one here. So once you release the bottom portion, then you need to come up here, and this top portion you can unscrew it. So then the whole thing will drop down. So that's how you're gonna release the top and drop the whole pipe out. So let me do that really quick. It's best to have a bucket down here, so you're gonna catch all the messy stuff. Anyway, so this is what came out. And now I need to drop this new one in. Might be a good time to clean up this place a little bit. Well, I don't want to run the water, because there's no pipe for the water to drain out off right now. But anyway, yeah, it's a perfect fit. Okay, now that's in. What I need to do is install this bottom portion. Okay, and next we install this. Okay, now that it's installed, check for leakage. Everything seems to be fine. And the stopper is working. Alright, so it's working. Alright, so this is how you install on the stopper. Drainage stopper. Now the only tool that I found I need is this wrench to unscrew some of the nut underneath. That's about it. But aside from that, you really don't need any other tool. And the hardest part is removing the old American Standard drainage stopper. That one was a hassle to unscrew and to get it out. But aside from that, it's really easy to put everything back together. Anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.